Yeah, hello once again. Welcome, everyone. Welcome once again. Please, if you join me, make sure you share this particular video. Let's talk about this 419 of 18. Defrauding women. No. Ooh. Let's talk about it. Let's advise our women because I don't know what they are looking for. Please share this video. If you join me, share, please. Please share if you join me. Let's talk about this 419 of 18. No, they don't still win jackpots for India. Here. They don't still win another jackpot for India. My lovely people, please share. Share. Let me try to share from this particular area. Please share. Let's talk about this because maybe small wahala now. Yes, so one woman for India don't cry come out. So he said 419 don't defraud them too much money. Oh, here maybe small thing. How they take chop this woman money? We will talk about it today, my people. Yeah, hello everyone, welcome. Please share the video. Let's talk about this particular woman. 219 million naira. Now you take fine man. Now you take fine man. How can we judge this particular issue? Sometimes I just dey vex for some women, and sometimes I know they put all this whole fault on the 419 people because now you women they find them. Now they find them. How you go they look for husband online, they look for wife online, and you no go even look for the poor ones when it be say you go fit support them. You go they look for those big ones when it be say they be big men. They be politicians, they get refineries, they get complaint, so that you go make you longer throat now they cause all this nonsense. You know, the longer throat is too much. Let them stop it. It's too much. Sometimes I know they pity them, because now when you be say waiting you get, not reach you need more. Now you be say they fall into all this kind of temptation. Now you be say they become one of those victims to those people. You understand? How can a woman be spending 219 million naira on the top of man heads? How manage? What you they find? What are you looking for there? It's very bad, my people. Let's talk about this. You know, it's very bad. If you see how these two people now they say no, you go see say the matter now just kind useless. Now I'll just call the woman. She's useless. You know. Because somebody when he be say you don't know from anywhere, just tell you say na me be this, na me be that, just because he get money. Okay, if you not come be the mental something, if you the woman no be person be say brain not correct. Person when tell you say na him be general of this one, na him be president of country, na him own many companies, na him all this one, na him go tell you say make you send money for her, you go send. And you now as a woman, you know say the man get money. Now you see go they buy gifts, expensive gifts, go they give her. Small picking children when they be say they not get money, all those poor ones, they around you. Why you not pick one of them, clean them up, show them the way so that them two go still make them? Why are you people always looking for longer throats? Looking that is you just want to reap where you did not sow. Why? It is very bad. Somebody person not feel reap for where you not so at all. You know they happen like that. It's either you lose more. You understand? Sometimes I know they pity them. Because woman are not fit sit down now. You see somebody for online, you with and chat together. You tell and say you like him. You with and will come the day together. Before you know, you don't spend money on top of that person. Person where you don't know. If na cockroach, if na dead body self, if na a dwarf, you don't know. You get one video when I watched last time, Facebook marriage. Now saw the two people they still propose to themselves for Facebook. The girl they look the man like saying arrest. Now another one kind fine handsome man because he used another picture. But you can imagine when this man reach Mali, where he won't go marry this girl. As he reach Mali, he come down for inside motor. Now all these dwarf people, I know they laugh them because them na their own type of woman being, and so they be. You understand? But he's supposed to let the woman know the kind of person when he be before you go they invite, before you go they propose to her. But he not let her know. He sent fake picture to this woman. When he come Mali now come do marriage, now he can see say person when he want marry now dwarf, maybe even a normal, you know, like tall person, like as every human being there. So e dey very very bad. Make una dey open una eyes. No be everything when glitter be gold. How can a woman be looking for man when be billionaire, when be millionaire for Facebook? You think say e dey easy? So na then they use their hand. Good afternoon, Ola Kenny. Yeah, good afternoon, dear. You're welcome. Please share the video, share and invite your friends. You know. Now then they use their hand till they kill themselves. You know, good. Make we read this particular article now concerning this woman when it be say they play this 219 million naira for India. Make una see the way when they take plan. We just be like who they play. That is they press blow. You go they press, I go they move. Any place when you say may he move, he move. If you say may he turn, he turn. You know, good. If you not say you don't want to make you fall into all those bandits, you make you fall into all those people 419, make you not be person will be longer throat. Anyone when God give you, maybe they use that one. They, you know, they cope with that one small. You won't tell me now, say where the woman they stay. In states, no man not there. If you for the work, men not there. Around that for that is the neighbors or for the village, men not there. How manage when they come be saying the one when they for Facebook, now you won't come book. You understand? The one day for Facebook when it be say he be millionaire. You not even find small one when it be say he never even make her. So that she won't be the woman when be say she don't make her. You go if he invite you over, then you will go feel lead you to the way, show you road, you too you go make her. Why? You not go look for those ones. You don't get money already. You have money already as a lady. Then why do you still need another man when it be say he be still billionaire? Why? And you even need the man self, not to say you with the person don't see face to face or the person just toast you physically. No, you go they look for the one when they for Facebook. What if you invite that person come, you see he reach your house, you see saying a killer he be, he go just kill you throw away because you be longer throat. You know, it's not good. Let some women stop it. It's not good. If you they look for a man, you they look for man. I beg, look for the one where your hand reach. Not they put your head up, and if they spend money they give this boy, now they hope say this boy go give her the money back. You can imagine where the brain reach. You know, you get as it be. May we read the article first before we will come to. Please leave your comment. It's very very important. Anywhere Nigeria go, they must surely spoil the place. Please, I need the kind of woman who just spend the cash with true love and cherish. This one I don't go. You know, this one I don't go there for neck. This one they be true love. Because if not true love, you know go like this. This one a 419 love. And I waiting the woman deserve. Because now you go they look for love for Facebook. How you go they look for, you don't even know whether the person send another person picture. Then they talk to you. You don't even know whether na Photoshop. It say they talk to you. You understand? You just they spend money like say you brain not work. Then why you can't still request the money back? You're not supposed to request them back. Okay, what about the nudity? As they spend the money, now maybe you and the man they talk now for that Facebook, you go they tell you say pull your clothes. Even then to the women, as so that they do, they go even they tell those men say may they pull their clothes, may they show them their body, all this and all that. You understand? But at last, if they can't use that your nudity, can't see they blackmail you, uncle. What you go talk? You will say the person do bad. Whereas now you be the stupid person when it be say you don't carry yourself, give unknown human be person when it be say you don't know. You understand? My dear Okubo Antonia, it's not only because of Nigerians, you know. It's not because of Nigerians. Some people also, they still get their longer throat. You understand? If to say not because of only Nigerians, this woman too, she is not a Nigerian, but she be longer throat. You understand? Let me say that because of Nigerians. Many people are doing this for this online job, this internet job. Many, even though Igbo self, now then do and pass. You understand? Many people that they do and maybe only Nigerian people they do and. But the problem can't be say why it be say some women they allow themselves they fall into all these kind of nonsense victims. Why? Why it be say they too they carry themselves they come down. If they dey with their husband now, they no go fit assist their husband. If their husband even need money, say go say no want again. You some women say go even do bad to their husband. They go even kill their husband, carry the husband money, go they spend for person when it be say they don't know for online. You understand? If now your husband now they ask some money now, mommy, please give me more, or mommy help. You no go help him. You go say no, whether you with her who won't give each other. You understand? But to person now when it be say you there for online because you won't just do your own, you know, just to satisfy yourself, you go carry the money, go give that person. You know good. You know good now longer throat they cause her. You know how many women, how many white women when it be say they don't frustrate because of this particular issue, and some older women 60, 70 years, you go they see them, they go see they find small boy for online, for inside that for Africa. Waiting that they find. They find black boys, small children. What are they looking for? If you go this country, what does it call? Senegal. If you go Senegal, you will see and say for summertime, all these white people that they travel, they go vacancy for summertime for Senegal. Wetin they go they do for there? Na to go they carry, if na man no, you go they carry black girls. If na woman no, you go they carry black boys, small boys. You go see them older women, small boys. Now they go they find for Africa. You understand? You know good. That na sexual, na what they call it? Slave, sexual slave. Now can't be that one. You know, you are using them for slave. You know, you just they useless their life for nothing. If you want help person, you go help, and must you make love with that person before you go help that person? So you know good. Then you go see, even up now when it be saying summer now with day, if you go Senegal now, even if you Google or you check them online, now you go see say they full that place. They full am. Many of them they carry their sickness, go they, you know, they inflate all those people. And due to say those people they are poor, they need any way out. They go accept them. You go see fine man when it be say get family for house. You go just they follow you, but they do anyhow. Men say go even they carry their men, you know. They go they do anyhow for beach. Now beach now there they go they find all these black boys. You know good. You know good. Their own longer throat is too much. Make them stop them. Many white women they don't frustrate finish. Some say that they commit suicide. Some say their husband go die. The money be say their husband live for them. They will carry and go they find small black boys when they go useless in life. What did they use that one tell me? You know good. You know good. Now then they push themselves, they put into this kind of wahala. Because if they be the one when they find all these small boys, I not believe say they go see them for Facebook. Now waiting person find now they see. You understand? So now waiting they find then say they find all these small boys to tarnish their image. The small boys too, they find them to chop their money. So who to blame? Who person go blame for inside? You understand? Nobody when you go blame for that. Because now you won't be the woman when not know what you want. You send another small picking life. Now you won't go spoil. I say, old woman, when it be say you don't live your life finish, you get children. Instead of you to our African women, even when their husband dies, many of them not they marry again. You understand? Many of them they not they marry again. They go just they concentrate on their children, how to train their children, how to make better life. But for these people, no, they don't do it like that. Once they not get their husband not there, they not get anybody. They'll just go they find focus on black boys, young boys, just they frustrate their life. So if God punish that kind of person, what thing we go talk? What thing we go talk? Now what thing they find you see? I know they pity them. Oh. I know they pity them because if you need man, you go need responsible man when be like you. You go find responsible man when be say they the same, that is the same age, or you go even love maybe by age. You feel fall in love to old man or old woman, that one another different thing. But this one now they know they find am for love, just to pay you money and useless your life. Finish, nothing else. You understand? If they even still carry you, okay, say maybe now they go do visa for you, carry you reach their town. If they carry you reach their place, I bet you now waiting they tell you now you go do. If you not do them, man, they go collect that paper for your hand. They go throw you back. They'll frustrate your life. Your life no go get any meaning for that country where they carry you go. So what are we talking about? May we try read the comments concerning this particular one when happen for India. So may we see how this three boys so they chop this woman 219 million naira, 219 million under some few months because you they look for boy, because they look for man. You know good. It they very very bad. They're very, very bad. So let's continue. He said, according to India Times, the accused Jingo Nicholas, 29, Monday Okeke, 26, and Paulinus Mbanugu, 29 years old, currently reside in Niloti Extension, New Delhi. They said they're there for India there. They're there for India. They played the woman, said they're there for another country. Gosh, what did they really do with this woman? They really deal with this woman. I don't like her, man, because then too now bad thing they do. If you not say you don't love person, I beg not see they find. I bet those women are their own worst pass. How woman go they look for man for internet? You go not go even they look for the one where you want help. You go they look for the one where don't make up. Where you want sick pie, make you still sit down on top of your money. You know good now. You understand? You know good. If there's jam all these all these small African boys now, instead when they go help you for better, they not go help you, they'll just they pay you small money, just they useless your life, finish, nothing else. You understand? That's one charm at work into the woman. Because now the woman I find them now. You find them as man saying they look for man. Then too they use the juju to hold them down. Who are we to blame? You want play person. Why the person when you want play still they play? Because now you can't be the person when they play you. So the person go be around. You understand? He said the Pond City police have arrested 3 Nigerians nationals in Delhi for alleged defrauding and extorting their money for India, but in naira is 219,607,155 naira, 42 kobo, from 60 years old. You see what I'm telling you? 60 years old is looking for 29 years old, 26 years old of a. What do you want using life do? Huh? No, let's call a spade a spade. These people, they need to get sense for their brain. 60 years old woman. What do you they find small picking for? Small picking when fit be your second son or your even last born self. When your picking self supposed to even marry self. You know, 60 years woman, 60 years old woman don't even get grandchildren. What thing that they find? What thing that they find? If now you don't call, you not go play am. You not go play am. It is very, very bad. Maybe they stop am. When they stop am, e no good. And you don't see when they bring out the news, always that they show them. Even they get program for TV when you visit them for the show them, they let people they know how all these 419 people say they play them all this money. But they no go see here. They go still keep that their deaf ear. They no go here. They go still continue because they won't satisfy their urge. Which urge when you still get for 60 years they look for small pikin? Men not there for your country. Black men still there for India. There, why you not find those ones? If they find the ones when they're outside. Eh? The Nigerians when they're India, they're full there. How many when they help for there? Maybe those ones when they beat. Those ones when they use stick, then they wipe them, when they will even the key throw away for that place. But if they look for another black man for outside India, you not even know say the person when they find said that person they India there with them. Is they very, very bad? Obi Kukumba at work. No, they hear am. They hear am, I tell you. That's who hear am. Is they very, very bad? 60 years old woman. They chat with 29 years old. Make it come be your gosh. No, you get as it be now. You get as it be. If not my picking self, I go verse. My picking 19 years old, you won't be woman when be say me and you na age, you come to destroy my picking life. If I get winch, I go buy you and not lie you. Because now frustrate, now you won't frustrate my picking life like that. Now picking you won't bow for him. Now money you won't give him. If you won't give him money, now you dey find person when he be say he rich. Person won't get won't get the whole company when they for the whole area. Person won't be president, won't be governor when they work for oil refinery. Now you can't dey find 60 years old man. The money when you get, it never still reach you. You see they find another one when we want still chop join her. God you know say God no dey sleep. You understand? If you dey fast you want to do person bad, now that and I God go even they use that bad they pay you. Now so they be. It not good. Say 60 years old woman in Pune for India there. So according to India Times, the accused Django Nicholas, you see name? That their name will get called Lego. They carry and go Django. Time. Django Nicholas. These people they not gonna keep person. 29 years old. He say Monday okay. This one I go fuck up. You go they put this kind for this kind of for there. It's supposed to give them. Now that one answer Django, into go answer Bingo Thomas. You understand? The thing go they arranged like that. But the answer Monday okay. The other one Paulinus Mbanugu. You understand? 29 years old. Monday na 26 years old. Say currently reside in Niloti Extension, New Delhi. Say the woman who is the complainant in this case work in a very senior position in a private company. This woman, a person maybe say he get money, they work for senior position for a private company. He said for last year, now they know she came in contact with a person on Facebook who claimed to be from a foreign country. God. These people are wicked though. I don't lie on that. If you enter person, the person life they frustrate. Not too wicked. Gosh. It's like the people claim say that they're for a foreign country. Maybe India there the day. Whereas the people when they chat with the day, they may even be in labor. As Mumu rich, if they find young small boy, 60 years old, they find it 29 years old when you want frustrate in life. Now God cook marathon and upside down and back to send and now you come with this one. Now as the matter be na something they talk my own, I know they side any part. The people when they do and they know they do good. That one are real truth, you understand? The ones when it be saying now they see they find them, and that one are the verse for pass. Because if you know say those people now 419, now they do. You're not supposed to go the 5 man for inside Facebook. You they find say they find small picking. But we continue. Say last year she came in contact with a person on Facebook who claimed to be from a foreign country. This person was an online fraudster, but posed as someone in a prominent position by pretending to have assistant and account manager. As the police tell them, so the man say he there for very prominent position, high position. They pretend to the woman say he even get assistant, he get accountant, the accountant manager, he get this one. That is which means the bank now he get back. Now this matter they make me they laugh. Men are not vex. No, I don't understand. So which means now he get bank. Now that the woman go kukuma for straight finish. He don't see person be say get money after all. Join a young pikin. Then what is the need? Let me do everything possible to draw him to my place. Now when he go reach my place, now I can't deal with that. You don't know say God got another plan. He go backfire. I tell you the truth. He said over the next few months, the complainant and the fraudster communicated frequently, exchanged phone numbers, and started conversing on WhatsApp. They can't share their phone number, they can't chat for WhatsApp, you know. Sometime later, it was the complainant's birthday, and the fraudster told her he had sent her a high-end iPhone as a gift. They first enter the woman. So as the woman they do birthday, like then they can't send iPhone, go give the woman. So the boy now can't send iPhone, go give the woman. You don't enter and finish. From this point on, large sums of money were taken from the complainant on the pretext of customs clearance at Delhi airport and other false reasons, police say. From that day when the say they send on that for iPhone, so now their police, now their wahala can start, you know. Now there they come they play and they collect money. Oh, the first dollar me bring money, may they take clear the phone from when they take clear the phone from airport. First of all, phone when you go they go buy for you online, they go just send them direct to your place. Now they won't still go clear. People brain not they work. You just see some. That is why if you they talk. Maybe everybody go they reason the way they reason. Some people their brain, you get the moment that they reason, you know. Yes, I don't see them. Some people that they reason they go back. Why you they reason they go front? That is why they get like Oyibona. Only African people they know they differentiate. When you born picking for Africa, they will just say all picking are normal. No, all picking may be normal. For Oyibo, they go look the picking, they go look what they do, they go know the stage where they go put them. It gets where the picking go reach, they go know say yes, this one they fully normal. It gets where it go reach, they will not say no, this one they normal, but it still remains small. But for Africa, everybody they normal. That is why you see and say all these kind of people when they say their brain not correct. When they go put them for inside for presidency or they give them all these government posts, the country go yaga yaga. Because if the reason they go front, how people go forward, then go the reason they go back. Not be their fault now how their brain they. But the people now, the African people no, they don't know about anything concerning that one. They know they study well human brain if they born picking or they carry, you know, they know they study well. And once they put you for school, you like to go school, you like to not go. If you pass, you continue. If you not pass, that one are your problem. They go carry you come and say, make you go learn work. They not go find out waiting they this picking brain, waiting make it brain not today active, waiting make it brain not to come out well. You understand? So those kind of people now when they go put them for presidency, you go see say the country everything go yaga yaga finish. You understand? Like all these full and enhancement, their brain. No say their brain no still complete because one person go the reason like animal. You know say the brain not today okay. You understand? And this brain of 18, they're not just they're not the developer for this way. They come from that is a generative problem, that is from generation to generation. If you they born picking, the other one born picking, and so one person must pick it or two people must pick it from there. But some people, they know they tackle that one at all. They will just they insult the person. You know no book, all your mates no book. You don't know anything, all your mates. You know they pass exam, but they're not gonna say the picking brain. You know to reach where it's supposed they for the normal level. So now waiting happen to this woman, now be this one so. When they're supposed to send to you direct, they tell you say they won't clear her from airports. You now need to send them money to go clear the phone. That brain they okay. You understand? He said the fraudsters even claimed he had been arrested after reaching India and demanded money to arrange his release and for medical treatment. Even as the woman can still invite these 419 boys to India. He can't invite the guy go India. There be three, but now one person now they follow the woman. But you know how they take they do the corner. Some go pick call, you know. So you know, one kind all this their normal level. So this woman, I can't invite this man make it come India. The man I don't reach India already. He tell us say he don't reach India already, but they hold him for airport. Make the woman bring money to bail him for airport. You as the Indian woman, you there for India. Person tell you say you don't reach your place, you there for airport. What it remain for you to do? Not be for you to drive your car any state when you there. Go meet them for the airport. Go bail them for there. Go see them face to face. Make you know what thing happen. But no, you not go. Now to send money, make the take bail the boy. After the send money to bail the boy, he still send the boy still tell us make send money make for hospital treatment because he not there okay. You need to go relax for hospital first. These people, this God go judge you. God dey make una suffer. No, make una suffer. You understand? The woman still pay hospital bill again for am. After all this one, he not see this particular man. He not see this boy at all. He pay for he pay money when they will take freedom for airport, which is like he not dey any airport. He pay money when he be say they will take treatment for hospital, which is like Deputy Commissioner of Police, Cyber Crime and Economics Offences when they for yeah, it reconnects. Thank God. Yeah, I check my network because my network be fuck up. Thank God it reconnects back. Sorry. That was my network. I thank God it reconnects back. So let's continue. He said the deputy commissioner went there for India. He said in this case, the online criminals initially started taking money on the pretext of sending gifts like iPhones, jewelries, and foreign currency. And for various false reaction like customs clearance and other formalities for these gifts. This matter I read though. Now from that particular moment now, then the woman now come they send gifts. They go they give them. If they send iPhone, they send jewelries, they send foreign currency, they send money, too much money, and they go even come they cost pay money when they want to clear all these things when he sent for airport. You understand? Things say Nigeria people wise now I believe say them be na clearance. Shall white men them they use Africa them wanna do the same. Yeah, white men, many of them, white men and women, they are using Africa. But that one too. Now, how I see blame this particular woman. So when be say go they meet those men. Now, so I see they blame those African men and those African women too. When it be say they will see they carry their body, they give these people because of money. You understand? If na condition of something of a prostitute, that one na different thing. But this one now, they will just prepare. Say they won't go do vacancies for Africa. If they reach there and not to go, they mingle with small boys. So and all those boys, they get wife, they get children. You can imagine this kind of person now when he be say some of them they sleep with dogs. That one na hoha. Some of them they sleep with dogs. Many all those kind of person now when he be say if you don't infect with some type of diseases you don't know. He go just reach Africa now, will come carry you, go they sleep with you as a man. You go see their girls. Some say woman and mama and pikin that they go. Mama said go carry him pikin go. go give am small African boy for there. You know, you go just go meet them direct. You no go know say this kind people they get sickness. Before you know, you don't carry the sickness, go meet your wife one day for us, go infect your children. You know, e no good. All because of money, e no good. The way when they do their own, this one just pass, e pass, be careful. Prostitute own self is even still better, because prostitute self, e go sit down for where they work. You understand? E go not say they there for im work. Some of them say they there and they go still protect themselves. They go just work sharp, you just come out, you give them their money. But this one on, they go just carry you like 5 days, like 1 week. All these ones when they carry you, now what you they do with them? If you no want to, and they no go give, they go tell you say they will go carry another person. And if you see the one when they play with themselves for public, if you go to Senegal, you will see it. Go their beach for this summertime now. Go to Senegal, you will see them. Especially for Dakar, you will see what they tell you. It they very, very bad. I see they blame them because now those African people now they still make all this nonsense they happen. You understand? You're not supposed to. They go, they carry them. Men, no men go. They look for women. Go they look for Oyibo woman for a beach. We make it come from Europe, come carry and go give them money. Then now they take that one now like work, like their normal job. You know? Now so they come they do one now for Africa. For summertime, they go see say Oyibo, all of them go vacancy. Where they go? Many they go Africa. What thing they go they do for Africa? Some of them they go they look for all these small boys and all these small girls. You know? It's not good. You get as it be. Make some of us, may we stop them. May we stop them. You understand? Even all these ways of prostitution. If you even there for prostitution, self, we go not say, you they do your prostitution. Even for Africa, some people they do prostitute. We not say they do prostitute. But this one now, they know they do them like prostitute at all. This one now, they go just go sit down for beach. They go just they wait for Oyibo, old woman, make come carry small boy. Go hold on for that is a lodging for hotel for 1 week, 3 days, 5 days before you go back. You just there they rough they use you like say you be dog. It not good. It not good. The one that they do online not reach. Now they go Africa direct, maybe even only online. You understand? Like waiting this particular woman now do for online. Now the same thing, because this one I want to make the boys now constantly do the same sex slave for her. You understand? So it they very, very bad. So from then now they come the woman now come they send even the iPhone when the boy go give the woman for her birthday, said the woman buy another double iPhone. Send go give the boy, he buy jewelry, he buy gbogbo money, they flow am, they go they give the boy. He said false reasons like custom clearance, so on and so forth. The complainant was promised that she would be compensated from the money she was given. She had made transfer of funds of up till 1 cup for this gift, 1 ROS core for this gift. Only gift self 1 ROS core. I don't know how their money is in India there. You understand? And then now when the 419 guys, they let the woman know, say they go compensate them. They go pay am back. Oh God. How they want to compensate you? Man, person when you know say he dey for high position for work. When they say he get accountant, he get assistant, he get this one, he be personal, be this one. Now you see go they send gift, they go give, he go see they tell you say he go compensate you back. You see they believe that one. Say however, what started as a gift fraud turned into online extortion. The suspect started threatening her with various legal actions. She was told that there were illegalities involved in the item she had paid for, and she would face action from government agency. She transferred even more money under this threat. They even contacted the woman, say the things when she dey send. Oh God. So the things when they send, say they illegal. So now they go sue the woman now. They go let the whole world know it in there. They come they threaten the woman now. So the woman now was forced to send them more money always. The senior police inspector DS Hake said the complainant ended up transferring a total of 219 million naira transaction from 2 banks account. The money was transferred to 67 accounts of 25 banks between September 2020 and March. September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 7 months. God! 7 months. 219 million. Oh God. Now they collect for this woman hand. All because say you dey find small pikin. You know? All because say you dey look for person wey you wan frustrate in life. Make una dey reason. Even those boys, when they do those things, make some of una stop am o. Because even God, he dey pay person bad. You understand? Nothing say if you frustrate person life, your own go dey better. God no dey gree like that. If you cause pain for another person life, God will surely pay you back. He must surely cause that pain for you double. You understand? So if you know say your way not dey genuine, please no dey put all these friendship of a thing for Facebook. No dey do am. E no good to lie somebody, to frustrate somebody. All this money when all those people now when they collect for some people, they commit suicide. Some people say they go they borrow the money for bank. Be you man, be you woman. At last, if they not fit pay, bank they seize many of their things. So then now they will go commit suicide. They will go die. You understand? So e no good. E dey very very harmful. Abeg make una dey pity them. Make una no dey do am. E no good. Not just the reason say if you catch them, you don't make am. You no make am like that too. You no make am because you no fit use another person's sweat. Stand on another person's sweat. Think say your own go better. God not the judge like that at all. Once you inflict pain into another person's life, you make person cry. You make am feel bad. God must surely pay you back double. Now so God say they doing. Oh, you know. They say, well, you should point person one hand, and so for the rest 3 to 4, just they go back to you. So make una be careful. You understand? Make una be careful. You know good. You know good. And all those women when they find men, make una just be careful. Now that one I was past. Black men scam, white man, one a jelly. This guy scam. Myself, I don't understand though. I don't understand. This scam when okay now. Oh God. Okay now. If they call and now say na scam now this one. What about the nudity video and photo when it be say then with the boys they don't play? Who won't pay for that one? You know? Who won't pay for that one? If now maybe police self, I'm not going even they mind their case. I'm not going to mind them because the women they useless. Even the men too. Now they still find waiting that they see waiting won't kill them. So I not go even mind them at all. But why police they involve for this kind of case be say the thing they make people they commit suicide. The thing they make people they for their life they frustrate. That is why police they involve. If not for me, I'm not go even they involved of this kind of thing now. You go find small boy make you can't spoil in life. Then the small boy now can't chop you they find waiting. You want the person bad, you see the bad now turn back to you. Who you go judge, you know? The money was transferred to 67 accounts of 25 banks between September 2020 and March 2021 under just 7 months. Now they say blow this woman 219 million naira, all in the name of searching for small boys. You know, it's not good. Make una stop am. I hear one information last time. I even said that my friend said make you give me the video. So that I go use the video to that is my use and say present the video to people for waiting they happen. This one happened for this guy now tell and saying they America. This was not Nigerians, so not other different country. So this guy there for America. Why this particular guy they Italy? So now, in with this boy come they chat for Facebook. They don't know themselves for Facebook. All this Facebook girlfriend of 18, make una they stop them. The world now don't they digitalize. You not be like the way when they be saying una they think and before now so it dey. You feel just they talk with person now. You go they show your body, go carry and they show the another word. You know. If you even go they sell them for porno star channel, you not gonna say they don't they sell your nudity for there. You not gonna say they don't they sell your picture for there. You understand? So this particular guy. Even with this girl, so they go they play for Facebook. They play, they jolly themselves. Before you know it, this boy don't come out. So with the girl photo, that is video of nudity. He come they extort money from this girl. Tell the girl say if you not send them money, go show the world the picture. You go show them the video where they for do everything. You go show them her picture. You go show them everything. You understand? So how you when be woman when you go let yourself just fall into that kind of trap? It not good. And when the boy now they deal with the girl, e not even show him face. E show only him tummy down. But the woman na show all her face, all her body. E dey for inside Facebook. Why? Wetin you dey find? E no good, you know. E not just good. Abeg, make we try stop am. Make we try value wetin we get. You know, if we dey with our partner, abeg, if you be woman when e be say you don make am, you get money, help your man, assist am. Na money person take dey find money. Make una do more business. The man go dey stand. Nothing say because you get money, the man no get money, you no go, you no go help am, or you no go marry am, or you no go dey with am. If you go fit use that your money sef, give am, make it take work, make it take do business, e go turn times 2 for you and him, and 2 of una go dey okay. No dey put your eye for outside, dey go dey look for men wey be billionaire, because a man no dey fall from above. Na wetin person work na him dey reap. Wetin you use your hand work, suffer when you suffer, na God take dey pay you. Make you not sit down dey look for the one when another person don work, say na that one na you go put your eye. E no good. Please, my dear viewers, share this particular video, and very soon I will be allowing you people to call so that you can still also drop your contributions. I can also invite you on my studio so that we can still talk together, chat together, and still give the word advice, still read the news, wetin still dey happen. So na so the matter be. I thank you all and remain blessed. See you soon. Okay? Bye.